Hi everyone, it's Mr. Yoder. I just wanted to show you how to do Quizlet in this first lesson. So here is an old post from Google Classroom. You'll see a post like this. And what I want you to do is click this link. There will be a video here as well, but for this example, we're going to use this page in this lesson. You click on this link and you'll get to this. And this Quizlet is about how to use Quizlet. So it's the how to use Quizlet. So basically you got flashcards to start. So let's go over the points here. Is Quizlet approved by the School District of Philadelphia? Yes, it is. So what you do in flashcards is you use this arrow to go to the next one. Do you have to use Quizlet? Yes, you do. Do I have to sign up for an account? No. Okay, so that's very important. While it is approved by the School District of Philadelphia, some people prefer not to use their personal information online, and I totally respect that, and you don't have to do it. Now this will lead nicely into our next point. Are you implying that I really should? And what I'm saying is, because you can't say you can sign up for an account, no, I'm not saying that at all. What I'm saying is, you can have no account and still log in. Okay? So I created a dummy account. The username is Yoder Studio. The password is Philadelphia. And I'll have that posted on the Google Class page as well. So one person said, wait, you're just plugging your website? Shame. Maybe they didn't say shame. And no, I am not. But yoderstudio.com is my website, which has all of the music that we use for class. And also I'd like to say that this website that I have has no login, has no ads, and it's completely free. And I just wanted to put this out there. Mr. Yoder makes dumb jokes. Yes, I do. Absolutely. You'll see lots of silliness in my videos and jokes, so be prepared. So let's talk about all the different things you can do on Quizlet. Flashcards, which is what we're doing right now, is a great way to study and get to know the material. That is absolutely true. So I just also wanted to point out here, especially if you do this test right here, results on Quizlet will translate into a grade. Absolutely not. This is purely learning. I'll get to the Google form and then you get achievements on that, or trophies if you're a PlayStation gamer. So we're really not doing this for a grade at all. We're doing it for the love of the music. Learn and write are great ways to learn how to write the answer, and I'll show you later it has this great don't know button, so of course it is. Spell is a great way to learn different notes, what different notes sound like. If it works, that's this right here, and yes, it does. But I've been having trouble with spell. I haven't had trouble until this pandemic, so maybe this feature on this app has the coronavirus. I don't know. I have to do tests or I will flunk my grade. Absolutely not. Finally, match and gravity are fun games that help us learn. That is absolutely true. So let's go into these different features real quick. So this is the study portion, and the dummy account password is Philadelphia, right? It's not no, it's not yes, it's not Yoder Studio, it's Philadelphia. Okay, so this will do a wide variety. Also, you may type in this format as well. Write, you will write every single time. So Philadelphia, so that is the dummy account password. And then spell. This is the one where I'll load audio files, and like I was saying before, this is having problems right now. I don't know why. So we'll look at that later. And finally, match and gravity. These are the great things. So here's match. Here's how you do it. So you're going to make everything disappear. So you use your computer screen and you drag and drop. So the problem with this quiz is that there are lots of yeses and 2 no's, right? So I don't know if I got the right yes or the right no, but spell is a great way to learn what different notes sound like if it works. So the answer is yes, but I don't know which yes it is. Let's guess this yes and see if I'm right. I was right. Look at that. What if I don't have an account? Can I log in? That's a yes. Let's see if this one's right. It is. Wow, look at that. 2 for 2. But all I'm saying is that these yeses may not correspond over here. So in the future, though, every single one will be different. Gravity is another great one. So I'm going to show you hard. And what happens is that the asteroids come down. Matching gravity are great games that are fun games that help us learn, yes. Wait, you're just plugging your website? Shame. No, I'm not. Do I have to sign up for an account? No, you do not. Is Quizlet approved by the School District of Philadelphia? Yes. So there you go. That's the idea. So that's what I want you to do. So I don't want you to worry about test. I want you to check and see if spell is working, but it doesn't matter because in the Google form that I'm going to send out, there will be the listening examples that will be working. So go ahead and don't worry about this. You can check and see if it works. Also, live, what needs to happen is everybody needs to be on at the same time. Now this one is saying you need to have 6 unique terms. And it says 15 here, but what this is saying is that I can't have the same answer for each one. So that makes it unique. So that's basically it for Quizlet. There's one more thing you got to do. And what you got to do is go to this page again, and I want you to comment what you got on gravity. Now, I already did when I was doing it earlier, and I posted that I got 4,000 points. Also, my son may come in and say hi. Hey, Ben, say hi. Hi. So if he pops in, you could hear him. Don't be alarmed. I've been peeing on potty. Oh, yeah? Okay, so he's going to pee on the potty, he's telling me. So that is basically it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me on this class list. And that's that. Hope this helped. I really do. I'll be seeing you in future lessons.